With just 5 weeks until it hosts the 2016 Olympics, Rio de Janeiro is in deep water. Delayed infrastructure projects, deteriorating public finances, and concerns about health and safety pose big challenges for the Summer Games. To start with, many of Rio's scenic waterways are highly polluted with garbage and human waste. In its bid to host the Olympics, Rio promised to collect and treat 80% of its sewage by 2016. But in Guanabara Bay, where sailing competitions will be held, sewage treatment has fallen well short of that plan. An extension to Rio's subway that will ease traffic around the Olympic Park is over budget and delayed. It is now slated for completion just 4 days before the Games begin. It will serve only Olympic spectators and personnel. The general public? They're on their own. Brazil is suffering its deepest economic recession in generations, and several state governments, including Rio, are on the brink of insolvency. Sluggish ticket sales have crimped the local organizing committee's cash flow, so organizers are hoping to cut games-related expenses by 30%. That will mean fewer volunteers, no televisions in rooms at the Athletes' Village, and tents rather than fixed structures at some event sites. The opening and closing ceremonies will be more austere than those held in London and Beijing. A number of high-profile athletes are skipping the Games altogether due to concerns about the mosquito-borne ZIKA virus, which has been linked to a birth defect in which infants are born with unusually small heads. World number 4 golfer Rory McIlroy cited ZIKA in his decision in late June to miss the Rio Games. Australian golfer Jason Day and American cyclist TJ Van Garderen have also decided to withdraw from the Games for the same reason. Athletes who are still attending the Olympics are seeking ways to protect themselves. British long jumper Greg Rutherford said he plans to freeze his sperm because he wants to have more children in the future, as the ZIKA virus can be sexually transmitted. South Korea's Olympic Committee said its athletes will have uniforms with long-sleeved shirts and pants infused with insect repellent. After the Paris and Brussels terrorist attacks, security is a big concern. Brazil will deploy roughly 85,000 security agents during the Olympics this August, more than double the number used in London for the 2012 Summer Games. Local government officials say that with the help of dozens of foreign intelligence agencies, they are prepared.